Today on The Brief, if you're in manufacturing, you know how pervasive technology has become on the factory floor. Virtually every machine is now smart, interconnected, software-driven, and adaptive. And companies that do operations technology automation right stand to outcompete those that don't. It's safe to say that Tesla has figured all that out. It's used flexible manufacturing technology to establish itself as the electric vehicle vendor to beat. And its in-house tech and process methodology is often studied as an example of next-generation best practice. So news that a Russian operative recently tried to bribe a Tesla employee with $1 million to install ransomware on Tesla's industrial control systems should come as no surprise. Tesla represents the state-of-the-art, so of course criminals would covet what the company's got. But it should serve as a wake-up call to organizations that for all their manufacturing wizardry, they're ignoring the glaring Achilles heel of security: humans. According to the FBI, the bribery attempt failed when the employee contacted them. The Bureau initiated surveillance and arrested the alleged member of a Russian crime syndicate at the airport. No malware was ever installed. No factory equipment was ever at risk of falling under criminal control. Bullet dodged. This time. But this type of attack, targeting flesh and blood employees with big dollar payouts if they turn to the dark side, is becoming more frequent. And organizations need the kind of protection that no single technology can provide. Infotech's 2020 Security Priorities Report can help you close the human security gap by bolstering your security training strategy to focus on the softer human factors that could open the door to this type of event. Because many organizations are still blind to the behavioral issues that could render them unnecessarily vulnerable to a deep-pocketed, smooth-talking criminal. You should not be one of them. Instead, make sure your people are ready. That's food for thought.